This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Parnell. Do not miss this one. Beautiful move-in ready home in sought-after reserve in Great Neck. Fantastic floor plan with 4 bedrooms, potential 5th bed/bonus room above garage plus a first floor office. Hardwood floors, composite decking, beautiful brick, white cabinetry, granite and stainless steel appliances, 2-car side loading garage, HVAC less than 5 years old and so much more. For more information, review the details below.